Wish a very lovely good morning, students. Today we are going to start chapter 26, homonyms. Homonyms, words that have the same spelling and pronunciation but different meanings are called homonyms. Means words that have the same spelling and same pronunciation, okay, but meanings are different, okay, but meaning is different, so it is called homonyms, okay. Words that have the same spelling like this, be a bright, 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 okay, same spelling and same pronunciation but different meanings, okay, but different meanings like this, bright, okay, bright, BRIGHT, bright. Bright means intelligent and bright means giving out light, okay. Spelling is same, BRIGHT, bright, pronunciation is same but meaning is different, okay. Bright means intelligent and bright means giving out light, okay, both meaning. Second, lie, LIE, lie. One lie means an untrue statement, okay. And second, put oneself in a flat position, okay. One lie, 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 same meaning, same pronunciation but different meaning is different, like this one lie, LIE, lie means an untrue statement, and second, put oneself in a flat position. Next, fan. Fan means admirer, and one fan means a machine that gives out a current of air, okay. Fan, which fan we are using in a summer vacation, summer season, no vacation, it is summer season, okay, summer season, okay, that time use the fan, and one fan meaning is admirer. Next, rock. Rock, a hard solid material, it's called rock, and one rock means ROCK, rock, same spelling, same pronunciation but meaning is different. One rock, a hard solid material, and second, move gently backwards and forwards, okay. Next, well, in a good manner, we using well manner, well, and second, a deep hole in the ground from which water is drawn, okay, so called well. Next, polish. Polish, that meaning is substance that is used to make objects shine, okay. And next, related to the country Poland, spelled with a capital P, okay, spelled with a capital P, okay. Next, exercise A. Exercise A is fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks in each sentence, pair using suitable homonyms. First one, I have two sets of crayons, okay. I have two sets of crayons, okay. And second, the sun sets in the west, okay. Same meaning and same pronunciation but meanings is different, okay. They are sets of crayons, okay. I have two sets of crayons, they are different meanings and they are different meanings. The sun sets in the west. Second one, what kind of creatures are arachnids, okay. And second one, be kind to animals, okay. Both are feel kind, 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 same spelling, same pronunciation but meaning is different. First one, what kind of creatures are arachnids, okay. And the second, be kind to animals, okay. Next, third point is, will a matchbox sink in water, okay. And sink, SINK. And next, keep the plates for washing in the sink. Both are feel it sink, same meaning, same pronunciation but same spelling and same pronunciation. SINK, 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 same spelling and same pronunciation but meaning is different, okay. Sink, will a matchbox sink in water, And the second one, keep the plates for washing in the sink. Okay. Fourth one, A, the ring finger is between the little finger and the middle finger. Okay. Next, the ring finger is between the little finger and the middle finger. And B is B, I heard the phone ring at midnight. I heard the phone ring at midnight. Then ring, but both meaning is different. Next, fifth is the solution of these two chemicals is used as a pesticide. Okay. And next, is there a solution to the problem of poverty? Both are filling solution, solution solution, but meaning is different. Next, sixth point is, can you play some music please? Can you play some music please? Okay. And B, how long do you play after school in the evening? Both plays fill it play. Okay. PLAY, play, same spelling, same pronunciation, but meaning is different. Both plays. Seventh point, my bag is heavy but yours is light. And second place, the little bulb doesn't give enough. The little bulb doesn't give enough light to read. Okay, light to read. Both place fill it light, same spelling, same meaning, but same spelling, same pronunciation, but meaning is different. Okay, it is a homonyms. Okay. And homonyms, it is clear now. Homonyms means words that have the same spelling and same pronunciation, same spellings and same pronunciation, but different meanings. Okay, but meaning is different. Same spelling, same pronunciation, but meaning is different. Okay. Next, 8 point. 8 point is, Meena carries her teddy bear. Okay, Meena carries her teddy bear wherever she goes. Okay. And next, this table cannot bear the weight of that box. Okay. 9th point. Next, we left the playground at 7 o'clock last evening. Okay, we left the playground at 7 o'clock. Okay. Last evening. And next, look left and right before crossing the road. Then left, but same spelling is same, pronunciation is same, but spelling is different. Okay. Next, there is an object inside the pipe blocking the flow of water. Okay, there fill it object. And B, we must object to the closing of the park. Okay. Then exercise B. Exercise B is, guess the word from each pair of clues. 1. A is, this little round thing tells us the time. Okay, this little round thing tells us the time. And B, look at something closely, then watch. Okay, the little round things tells us the time, then watch and look at something closely, watch. Okay. Then WATCH, watch, same spelling and same pronunciation, but both place meaning is different. Next, second one, we hit a ball with it. And B, a black flying creature that comes out at night. Bat. Okay, we are using bat in playing cricket. And next, black flying creature, it is also called bat, same spelling, same pronunciation. And third one, MS Dhoni plays this game. Okay, third, MS Dhoni plays this game. And B, a chirping insect like a grasshopper. Cricket. Fourth one, a flat surface. Okay, and a flat surface called plane, and a vehicle that flies in the air, then also called plane. Fourth one, a rectangular or square container, and to hit both called the box. Okay. Sixth one are written messages, and the alphabet is made up of is this. Then letter alphabet A B C D, it is also called letter, and written message, it is also called letter. Next, seventh, correct opposite of left. Okay, correct, it is also called, it is right, and opposite of left, correct, right. Okay, correct, right. Okay, opposite of left, right, left, right, left, right. Okay, then same spelling, RIGST, right. Next, eighth one, similar to, and be to be fond of, then like. Okay, one word, like. Okay, homonyms. Next, kind and be, write using the keyboard, then type. Okay, kind means type, and write using the keypad, then type. Last one, go away. And A, go away, and B is a holiday from work, then leave. Okay, go away, leave, and a holiday from work, leave.